Hi everyone, it's Sandy. I'm going to share with you this gorgeous new digital collection kit from Shabby Art Boutique. I'm one of her guest design team members, and I've just received the September collection, and it is called Autumn Whispers. It is just a stunning collection. If you love anything shabby or working with shabby theme crafts, it is a gorgeous kit for you to download. It has lots of lovely florals, lots of whimsical images, beautiful patterns, and it's just so stunning. It is a large collection as well, so there are a lot of full pages, a lot of images for you to fussy cut. So let me show you what I've just printed out, just to give you a sneak peek. And then I've also made a project as well using the Autumn Whispers kit that I'll share with you. But this is one of the first ones. Isn't it just... So I've got the sun shining down through the window, but look how pretty this is. And you can fussy cut. This would be just great to use for journaling. You could use it to make cards or any projects that you like. But you can head over to Shabby Art Boutique's Instagram and the Facebook page if you want to get some inspiration and have a look at her other previous kits that she has done. But this is a pretty one as well. Beautiful florals. And then there is also this one. These are double page prints. I think there's like 17 pages of full page and double page background patterns, and then I think there's probably a dozen pages of images for you to fussy cut, or you could use your Cricut as well. You're able to use your Cricut to do a print and cut, and there's blue tones that come in there as well if you're wanting to work with blue tone colors, which I can't wait to work with these sort of colors as well. And then there's another full page. Now look at these. Her images for you to fussy cut are just adorable. I'm really sorry about the background shade coming through, but look at these cute little mushrooms. If you love mushrooms, these images are so cute. There's some little like note cards that you could cut out as well. These are just gorgeous as well. Got some cute little mice, pumpkins, mushrooms, some berries, butterflies, rose. So, and you can keep printing as much as you like. So you can create a whole heap of projects with these. Isn't it just so cute? In a teacup, little mice in a teacup surrounded by flowers. It's just so cute. And you can downsize these too if you have a Cricut. These are some large tags. There's 4 of these large ones. It's beautiful. Cute. These ones have some blue pumpkins. Cute, isn't it? There are some clock faces, different sizes. Great for embellishing and layering. There are also some pockets, there's some envelopes, there's tags. And the project that I've made, which I'm going to show you now, I did use these pockets. I cut out the 3 of them, and then when you cut it out, you just follow the lines, and then you just fold along the 3 edges along here, and then this part here is the part you fold back, and then you adhere it to your page or to one of the backing papers, which is what I've done here. So I did cut 3 of these out, and let me show you. These are the 3 that I've made. Let's put these to the side. Let's put it up there. So these are the pockets that I've made, and then I did use one of the full page pattern background papers to place the pocket to the back. And so this is the front, and I did fussy cut all of these, and I'll just show you which page I used. And I used pretty much all of the I think, sorry, one second, I should have had that ready to show you. I think it was this one here. No, I did have it out, so I wanted to show you which one that I fussy cut. Oh, was it that one? I think it was this one here. Sorry. Okay, so it was this one here. I did use pretty much all of these images in all of these 3 projects, except for this one and this one. I made those on another project, but I did use each one of these images in here. So there's that mushroom, which is this mushroom here that I fussy cut. And then there were also these a page full of leaves and flowers, and I fussy cut these gorgeous leaves. I think here we are, I've got one here which I've already just about used most of them, and this is one of the flowers and the leaves that you get as well. So I did have heaps of fun fussy cutting all of those, and I did incorporate a lot of these leaves in these projects as well. So there's one of the leaves, and there's the mushroom, and there is also another page that prints out all some word sentiments as well. So I cut that out, and then I use one of my decorative edge die to give a decorative edge to each of the backing of the closure. Just added a strip of flat back pearls, one of my little flowers, some eyelash trim, and then this is the inside. Then this one here is this one. Fussy cut that image there. Then I backed it onto some leftover of the paper print that I had. And this is the pocket. Added some, I think it's like eyelash trim. I'm not too sure if that's what it's called. So I just decorated the edge of that and fussy cut the pocket. And inside I placed some of the cut aparts that were in the collection. These are one of the ticket strips, and then one of these. Look how cute this is. I know not everyone is into mice, but these little mices are just cute. So cute. And then I had another piece of scrap of the printed background paper. I just folded in half, somewhere to write a little note, a bit of journaling, and fussy cut one of the butterflies. So that's this one here, and this is one of the background papers as well. And all I'd done was just cut out the background paper and just cut out the edge. So I just cut out the edge with my paper trimmer around, and then I just cut the background paper at 6 inches by, I think it's 5.5 inches, and then I just created a fold as far down as I'd want it, as deep for the pocket. And that's all I've done. So you just sort of decide. I fold it along the 6-inch side and create the fold. You just make it how high you want your fold to be, so you've got room to add your bits and pieces in the pocket. And then I use a decorative die to decorate the edge. If you haven't got one of those, you can just use a corner rounder punch to corner round the corners, or decorative scissors, or you can leave it. So that's all I've done with all of these. Done them all the same, and just give it a little background edge here. So that's this one. That was pretty cute to make. This makes a cute little Happy Mail gift as well, if you want to gift one of these as Happy Mail. And this is the other one. Did fussy cut these out, some more leaves, and this one is this image here. It's that one there. And I did some light distressing. I didn't go heavy on the distressing of the edge because I really like it to be a little nice and soft. I used the tea dye distress ink by Tim Holtz. I found the tea dye was nicer and lighter than the vintage photo, so I just did a little bit of that around the edge, not on all of them, just a few of the images. And then I created a little tuck spot for that. So I did glue all this down but left this part unglued to create a little tuck spot for these cute little ticket strips or little ticket pieces. This was a strip. When you look at the collection, it's a full strip, and I just cut them and separately. And it's cute. It's a butterfly. The cute one. So that goes in there. It's really cute. And then the inside, that's one of the word sentiments that's in the sheet with all the words. It's a cute little berry. And this is this background paper here that I used for this one. I love this background paper. I really like this one. I think it's a great, I like the color on that. So this is the other pocket, which is the top one here. And inside here, I decorated the edge with some trim and one of my little flowers. You can write a little note on the back. And there is this pumpkin. I think it's a pumpkin. And that's this one here. Fussy cut that out. That'd be a cute little tag as well. You can punch a little hole here and create this into a little tag. And this is another cut apart. And I think you get a whole sheet. I think there's about 8 of these on a sheet. And I just cut it up, added some trim just to decorate the edge. And then this is another one. So these will come on the same paper. Then again, I had some scrap paper. I just folded that through. Oh, that's the steam train just coming through. Not sure if you heard that, but we have the steam train that runs along my street, and we hear the steam train come past, usually on a Sunday. So if you hear a noise, that's a steam train coming past. We love hearing the sound of the steam train. Going back to this, so this is just one of those little ruffle papers that you can ruffle up. Thought that was just a nice way to decorate the edge. So that's that one. Just put that back in there. So that's a cute one. And then this is the third pocket, and that's the middle one here. This is a fun one to make as well. Fussy cut these flowers, which was from that same sheet of all these flowers here, and the leaves. Popped a couple of the leaves at the back. That's the face clock from this sheet here. Added some of these pearl, I don't know what you call these, pearl drops, and then a flower, another one of little word sentiments. And this is the inside, some flowers, some of those leaves. And I decorated this one with a cute little lace dangle. And this is this lace is from Taperlogy. So I added that with a little pearl. And I'm going to sell some of these in my shop. These are cute little charm dangles with some lace and pearl. So I'll have these. I'm going to make a bunch of those. And same way. So another cut apart. Add some lace. And this was some leftover paper that I had left over. Just folded that and tore that to create a little note. made one of my favorite vellum pockets that I just love making. These are just fun to make. You've probably seen a lot of these pockets in my previous videos. This is the same paper from the collection, some more of the ticket pieces, and then this one I left that just together, fold that over. Makes a great little spot for little message. Cute. There's that. So that just goes in there. And these are a couple of the tags as well. That's in the kit. And they just fit it nicely in there. So that is the other pocket. And these pockets are great to add inside your, as onto your page, and create a pocket insert in your journals. But I thought this was just another great way to make the pocket. So you can make 3 of these like that. So these are just one of the projects that I've made using the kit. I have another project for an inspiration idea for you, and I'll have that in my next video, again using the Shabby Art Boutique September digital kit collection called Autumn Whispers. And I hope you enjoyed this project share, and I'll see you soon. Bye.